All right, we're going to do an example of probability for Venn diagrams with or questions. So we're asked, find the probability of randomly selecting someone who likes rock or country music. To do this, we need the entire circle of rock plus the entire circle of country music. So we want to include everyone because it's an or question. You can like rock or country, or you could like both. You don't have to be in that joint part of that circle. So you don't have to be just right here. You can be in the rock circle or the country circle. So we're going to add up everyone that was in the rock circle, and we get 44 people that liked rock. And we want to add the people in the country circle, and we get 33 people that like country. Here's the thing though, I don't want to double count these people that like both of them because even though they like both, there's still only one person. So I'm going to subtract out that 15 that liked both country and rock. And when you do that, you get 62 people that liked country or rock out of my 86 total. And you can leave it as an improper fraction, or you can simplify it, or you can put it as a decimal. But the whole idea is that you want to add everyone in the rock circle plus everyone in the country, and you don't want to double count anyone. Awesome.